Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around what probably is the nicest 2008 on a 58 Ford Fiesta Zetec S I've seen. Service documentation's all online there. It's been well maintained and is in absolutely fantastic condition. To think that this car is, nearly 15 years old, it's just, I'm gobsmacked with how nice it looks. Now this is a full Zetec S, so you know that when these cars came out you could order them with smaller wheels, no side skirts, they had a street pack, you could upgrade to privacy glass. This pretty much, I would suggest, may have started life as a Ford sort of demonstrator car, because it's a very early car with all the extras. Now, Zetec S body kit, front spoiler, side skirts, rear spoiler, tailgate spoiler, full Zetec S. Upgrade 17-inch alloy wheels, very nice. Privacy glass, so the external look, it's got everything that you could have opted for. Let's take a look around it because you're going to be blown away. Now this is a 2008 car, but the paintwork on this vehicle is absolutely superb. Racing red paint, very, very nice, stands well to say 14 years. You've got stone chips on the front, very, very minor ones on that front spoiler, but nothing that's detrimental to the vehicle whatsoever. All the tyres are fantastic. We've got lots of bills, receipts. The last owner's had it just over 3 years and he's maintained it really, really well as well. It's obviously had very, very fastidious owners that care for the car. Looking down the sides of the vehicle, it is in a super condition. Really, really nice car. In fact, I don't think I've seen one as nice as this in some time. In fact, I've never seen one as nice as this on this age. Bearing in mind the age, this car is a lovely, lovely car. Coming round to the rear, obviously you get that rear diffuser. This body kit, when it first came out, was the prelude to the ST Fiesta as well. Tailgate spoiler at the top, but you just get that 1.6 16 valve engine. Nice boot, not destroyed, no cutting of holes in any tail board for speakers. We've got then underneath the tyre inflation kit, still Ford's, still in its plastic wrappers. If you're a Ford person, this might be one that in time will go up in value. You know, if you look at Fords now, all those early cars, XR2s, Zetec S of the early models, they're fetching crazy money. But this is a lovely motor, absolutely fantastic. All round, tyres are good, we've got 2 keys with it, full book pack, service book stamped all up. Have a look on the pictures on the website, the pictures are all there. Set of Ford tailored mats, electric windows, electric door mirrors, Ford tailored mats. The seat is in super order, look at that. It'll be nice and slow for you. But that is a 14-year-old seat and done 62,000 miles. So as many times as people have got in and out of that, you can see that it's in lovely order. No cigarette burns, no tears, no marks. The mileage on it is 62,084 miles. That's it, 62,084 miles. I'll start her up. She starts superb. She ticks over, the engine's sweet. We've got CD player, auxiliary down here. I don't even think they invented USB when this car came out, and they certainly hadn't invented Bluetooth, so heated front windscreen, onboard trip computer, leather trim steering wheel. As I say, the book pack's there. There's all the bills, receipts. I'll try and show them you, but there's every MOT from new in different wallets. There you go. What more do you want? What more do you want? That's the last owner's servicing, maintenance, all at this particular garage. And then the service book, let me just open that for you. As if by magic, there we go. Ford main dealer, and then, so, bits, everything there. I'm quite happy with that. 2 keys, full book pack, locking wheel nut set. I don't smoke and I can tell this car has never been smoked in. Fords always have that scent of fresh and new, don't they? Because they use proper kit. Being a Ford employee at one time, they wear hard with these cars. They do. They wear superbly well. Now this shape obviously ran right the way through to recent times. Arguably one of the best looking Fiestas you could get, and especially in Zetec S dress. Now when we PDI it, we'll service it, we'll remove the wheels, we'll paint the calipers, the discs, so they look great. Any wheel imperfections we'll improve. Our technicians are good at that. So we'll get this car looking pretty much as good as you could possibly ever get it. But this is a fantastic car to start in the first instance. I've drove the car, I've spent a week with it, it drives. As I say, it came in with late 61s, and we've probably done 150 miles ourselves before it went on sale. But what a lovely piece of kit that. For 14 years old, nearly 15, you know, it's wearing well. A very nice car indeed, which I'm sure anybody coming looking at it will be absolutely over the moon, I guarantee you. Absolutely 100%. 2 keys, book pack, serviced, MOT'd, warranted. What more do you want? And come from a nice family. Lad who owned it has swapped it in for the exact same car over there, and that being the new Fiesta ST line, and to which then he bought the same car in red. So there you go, Fiesta people, as like I am, Fiesta mon. Okay, so if you'd like to reserve the car, give us a call. There's me, Graham, there's Lee, and there's Dom. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. And finance is available on this vehicle, not a problem. Warranty is available on this vehicle, not a problem. Have a look on our reviews, have a look on our Facebook. You see lots of customers from all over the UK picking cars up from us. But yeah, come and have a look. I doubt this one will be here very long, so chop chop chop. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.